What's up, guys? It's Noah here, and I just wanted to show you that I got new filters in my Dyson DC14 Animal. Here it is, and the HEPA, and along with the HEPA filter, I replaced that too. So, anyways, I'm going to give you a demonstration, and let me tell you, this thing has never worked better than ever before. So here we go. Okay, did a great job. Too much it got. I was testing this on sawdust, and it did great. It left a little, but it's doing a great job. So, but anyways, that does it for this video. You can just comment, subscribe for more.